So hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video we will be performing the R part or the read part of our CRUD project. We have already performed the C part or the create part, and now we will be displaying all our data in a tabular form in our read.php file. So let's just get started. First of all, I'll create this div with a class of container. Inside here I would like to add a page header. I'll just copy it from here, right, and I'll just modify it a little bit. I'll change this to all, this to add, and this to index.php. So this is it, and now we will create a table where all our data would be displayed. So I'll just add some classes for beautification. I'll say table hover. This would give me a nice hover effect when I hover on the table. And table border, this would just border my table, give borders. Yes, now inside here I will add, first of all I'll say t head. Inside t head I'll add tr, and now in here I'll say th or th times 4. Yes, so the first th would be for our id, the row id, then comes the student name, then comes the class, and then comes the admission number. And now where how do we get the data? That's where PHP comes in. So just but before that I will create tbody, and in here let's add it, and it can be a little bit tricky but it will be a lot of fun. So first of all I'll open these PHP brackets. Now I'll create a query to read $query underscore read. So this this is the read query, and this is how it is written: select all from students. So actually this query basically means that select all the data that is present in our students table. So this asterisk here stands for all, and this is the query: select all from students. And now I'll just add this semicolon here and space, and now let's create a final query. So here I'll again say mysql underscore query, and again the connection $connect. Let's just verify it. Yes, $connect, and this $query underscore. Yes, and now I'll add a while loop over here. While loop will allow me to fetch all the data. So I'll store this in a variable mysql I underscore fetch associative array. Yes, and now here I will need to supply one argument, this argument that fetch all the data which is instructed in these queries. And now after it has fetched our data, first of all I'll store the values and variables. Okay, but these values won't be the input values which we give, they would be the values coming straight away from the database. So here we would require 4 values, one for the id, and now I'll just use this like $row, and in here the name of the database column, which is, I'll go to structure over here. First of all comes ID, and I'll just duplicate this dollar class, or actually dollar name. Here comes dollar class, and here comes admission number and admin, and now name, class, and admission. I'll just put them here: name, class, and admission. Yes, so this now we have selected all our variable, and now comes the display part. So we'll echo a tr over here. So this is how you can embed HTML inside a PHP file, by using echo. Now after we add a row, we add this, right? T and D, table data, table heading and table data, and in so this is how. Yes, and inside here comes this value, this $ID value. I'll just duplicate this 4 times, replace with this name, class, and admission. So it's our work is done, so only the testing part is left, and closing the PR. Yes, there you go. And now let's see if this actually works, and I think it should surely work. You see, this is working. So let's go to add students, and from here let's go to all students, and this is our table. As you can see, it is formatted properly. We have this hover effect, and we have these borders. So just one more thing before going, I want to add the edit and delete link, but they won't work as of now. They would work later in the next videos. I would make them work. So here we'll say td, and inside I'll add this link. Yeah, and this would be for edit, and this one would be for delete, and I'll add this href is equal to. So this would make us stay on this page only, but we will supply some arguments. So, and did I tell you that I can't use these double quotation marks when I am embedding these HTML inside a PHP? So yes, you can't use these double quotation marks. You need to use single quotation marks. So coming back, this would be a read.php file, and now what this would be a whole new concept, web the URL parameters. So you'll shortly understand what I mean. Edit is equal to, so actually this won't do much. This would just when we click on this link, it would just display the ID over here in the URL bar. So edit. So this is what I was telling you about. We need to make this delete work. It isn't working as of now, so I'll just add this href part. and this should be known as delete. Yes, so this is it for today, and I guess this is working properly. You click here, this gives you the ID. So basically this was it for today, and if you found this video helpful at all, do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and consider buying me a book or anything on buy me a coffee. The link is in the description below. So bye for now.